Hi, welcome to INSSA Korea. I'm Sohee. Do you want to make friends with Korean but fail to introduce yourself? I get you. The feeling is 답답해요, and that means when you have a lot that you want to say but you can't find the right word. Instead of feeling frustrated, learn how to introduce yourself the BTS style. So here, there are 3 ways for you to choose from in order to introduce your name.
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단의 꽃미남 진이라고 합니다. 형님.
방탄소년단의 꽃미남 진이라고 합니다. 땡땡땡이라고 합니다. That means you can't call me 땡땡땡, which is your name.
안녕하십니까. 방탄소년단 슈가입니다. 여러분들 반갑습니다.
슈가입니다. So your name and then 입니다. This is by far the easiest way for you to introduce your name, and it is also quite formal. So 입니다 is just the ending form for I am. So you can say BTS 팬입니다.
네 여러분, 비에요.
제이홉 너밖에 없다. 저요?
안녕하세요. 여러분들의 희망 제이홉이에요.
V예요. 제이홉이에요. So again, which one to use? 예요 or 이예요? It will have to depend on the last word of your name. V without final consonants. 예요. 제이홉. 혹 with the 비읍 받침. We will use 이예요. The 요 ending form is still polite, but it's less formal than the 입니다 form.
21살, 22살,
24살.
22살, 21살,
스물땡살. 스물 is 20, 살 years old. So you just have to change the thing from 1 to 9. So let's see, 1. When it's added with years old, 살, 1 becomes 한, 2, 2, 3, 세, 4, 네, 5, 다섯, 6, 여섯, 7, 일곱, 8, 여덟, 9, 아홉, and from there we will go on to 10, which is 열, 20, we've just learned, 스물, 30, 서른, 40, 마흔, 50, 쉰, 60, 예순, 70, 일흔, 80, 여든, 90, 아흔. So, for example, 21 years old would be 21살. And remember the ending for I am, you can still choose 입니다 or 이예요 in this case because 살 is with the final consonant. So you can say 20살입니다, 20살이에요. Next, you want to introduce your profession.
반장 김태경.
네.
인사하겠습니다.
말투가 왜 그래요?
태영이 앉아.
네, 반장.
자, 조용! 자, 여러분들.
Are you a student, 학생, teacher, 선생님,
아니 왜 받아들여 그거를?
a chef, 요리사,
감이 안 잡히네.
잡채는 아닐 테고. 잡채 아니잖아.
양파를 잘게 썰어서.
or like BTS, they are singers, 가수입니다.
우리 모두 너를 좋아해. 우리 모두 너를 좋아해.
우리 모두 너를 좋아해. How heartwarming is that? We all love you. So 너를 좋아해. 너 is you, and we will put an object particle after 너 because you are being loved. So you will see if the word has final consonants. Like 너 without final consonants, you will use 를. If it's like 제이홉 with the final consonants, you will say 제이홉을 좋아해. So replace anything that you like in front of 을 or 를. BTS를 좋아해. And if you want to make things more polite or formal, you can say BTS를 좋아해요. BTS를 좋아합니다. So after your self-introduction, you can add this line. 만나서 라고 합니다. 32살입니다. 한국어 선생님입니다. BTS를 좋아합니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
아프지 말고.
가사 좋죠.
행복하자 우리 아프지 말고.
행복하자 우리 아프지 말고. Always be happy and don't be sick. Now that you have learned how to do a self-introduction in Korean, don't be afraid to introduce yourself first. Even though you may not be fluent, you have made an effort. Good luck on making Korean friends. Don't be afraid to start anything. Interested in learning Korean? You can learn more Korean tips by going through the videos here. See you there!